Hello, year six. I hope all of you are doing so well. And in today's lesson, we're going to learn about comparing whole numbers, decimals, and negative numbers. All right, let's have here a look at the first section, which is comparing a whole number with another whole number. So, for example, here, the first number that we have here is 523,605, and here is another number in front of it. Okay, to be able to compare whole numbers, the first thing that you must do is to count the number of digits. Here we have 6 digits, here we have 6 digits. So as long as both of them have the same number of digits, then now we can start comparing from left to right. So here the first digit is 5, 5, 2, 2, 3, 3, 6, 0. Oh, so this is greater. Oh, what a weird greater than sign. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so here this is greater. All right, in the second question, one of you might see, oh, Mr. You said, Mr. Ahmad Fadl said, compare from left to right. So the first digit here is 9. The first digit here is 1. This is greater. Sorry, wrong. Why is this wrong? Because I said something before comparing from left to right. I said that you should count the number of digits first. This is here 5 digits. This is here 6 digits. So definitely without even looking at the digits, this is greater. All right, so the sign that we're putting is less than. 92,563 is less than 103,425. Moving on to question number 3. Here, 215 and 21.5. Now we're comparing decimals. To compare decimals, there are also 2 steps. The first step is to compare the whole numbers. What are the whole numbers? This is here a whole number, 215, as if you're comparing 215 apples with 21 apples and a half. Which one is greater? Of course, it's 215. So now we can compare the whole number here with the whole number here. This is 215. This is 21. Of course, 215 is greater without even looking at the digits that are after the decimal point. Moving on to question number 4. Here we have 23. And here we have 23.0. Oh, mister, come on. You really think that you're going to fool us? No way. Both of them are actually equal. 23 is just the same as 23.0, the same as even 23.00. 0, 0 is just the same. All right? Let's remove them. Okay. So here, question number 5, 23 and 23.005. Oh, now it is different because this is just 23. This is 23 and a very, very, very small piece. So this is bigger. So 23.005 is bigger than 23. That's why we put here the less than sign. 23 is less than 23.005. Someone might say, oh, mister, this is just a little bit bigger. Yeah, it's still bigger. You cannot put equal. All right, here, question number 6. Now we're comparing a decimal with another decimal. To compare a decimal with another decimal, as we agreed before, you must first compare the whole number. 314, 314. Both of them are the same, mister. Now you compare after the decimal point, digit by digit. Okay. Someone might say, mister, after the decimal point, 52, after the decimal point, only 6. This is greater. No, sorry, this is wrong. Why, mister? Because I said to you compare digit by digit. After the decimal point, here is 5. Here is 6. This is greater. Mister, this doesn't make any sense. 52 is still greater than 6. Well, after the decimal point, if you want to understand why this, why 0.6 is greater than 0.52, make the number of digits here equal to the number of digits here. Here I have 52, 2 digits. Here I have only 6, make them 2 digits. How? Put a 0. So which one is greater now? Exactly, 60 is greater than 52. Okay, so to avoid all this hassle, just remember that all what you need to do is just to compare the whole numbers first, the 314, 314, both of them are the same. Then you compare, start comparing the first digit after the decimal with the first digit after the decimal. If they are the same, then the second digit after the decimal with the second digit after the decimal. Here, the first digit and the first digit, this is bigger, that's it. Question number 7, 0 0.45, 0 0.4. Oh, the whole number here, mister, they are the same, 0 and 0. The first digit here is the same as the first digit here, 4 and 4. The second digit here is 5. The second digit here is nothing. What's nothing? 0. So this is greater. 45 and 4 and 40, this is greater, of course. 8, the whole number here is 0. The whole number here is 1. This is greater. Without even looking at after the decimal, just take them, guys, in order. Compare the whole numbers first, then start comparing what's after the decimal point, digit by digit. Here, someone might say, oh, come on, mister, in question number 9 here, there are a lot of digits here, much more than, or many more than the digits here in the first number. So definitely, mister, the second number here is bigger. And I'm sorry to say that this is still wrong. Why is this wrong? Because you need to compare, as we agreed, the whole number first. Here I have 314. Here you have only 3. Which number is greater? This number is greater. Even if you have here after the decimal point 9 digits, 100 digits, but as long as the whole number here is greater, then this is definitely greater. Moving on to the next section, which is comparing negative numbers. Just remember, as you see here, that any negative number in the world is less than 0 and less than any positive number. So negative 42 and 0, which number is greater? Of course, 0 is greater. Negative 3 and negative 10, which number is greater? Okay. Mister, if it was only 3 without the negative sign, and only 10, of course, mister, I would have chosen the 10, that it's bigger. Yes, but this is not the case. This is not 3, this is not 10. This is negative 3, this is negative 10. So it is the opposite. So, mister, it still doesn't make any sense to me. All right, just let's imagine here the number line. Well, you don't need to imagine it. It's already drawn in front of you here. Let's look here at the number line starting from 4. 4, it's going down. Of course, 3 is less. Going down. 2 is less. 1 is less. 0 is less. Then now we have negative 1, which is also less. The negative 2 is also less. Look at this. It's going down. Negative 2, negative 3. Oh, mister, so negative 2 is less than negative 1. Yes, look at this. It's down. Going down, moving down here. So then here you have negative 3, negative 4. So here, negative 4 is also less than negative 3. Negative 4 is less than negative 1. That's why we say here that negative 10 is less than negative 3, and negative 3 is bigger. Look at this here, negative 3 is here. If you want to go to negative 10, you're not going to go up. It's not going to get bigger. No, you're going to go to the bottom. It's going to get less until you reach here maybe negative 10. You understand, guys? Why is this? Why now, for example, negative 3 is greater than negative 10? It's higher. Negative 3 is higher. Okay, negative 5 and negative 1, also the same thing exactly. If it was only 5 and only 1, I would have definitely chosen 5. But this is not the case. It's negative 5 and negative 1. Negative 5 is way more below negative 1. So negative 1 here is bigger. Thank you so much, year 6, and see you in another video. Bye-bye.